Hey everyone. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest debates in off-road riding. From torque delivery to cost of ownership, we'll be comparing these two powerhouses head-to-head. If you ray on the fence about which one is right for you, stick around, it's about to get real. Sur-Ron Light Bee 6 kW motor for $1,000 C for $1,500. Top speed 45 mph. 20 C 40 miles range. 0 FX. 40 for HP. 76 lb-ft torque. $11,000 C $12,000. 91 mile city range lower on highways. KTM Freeride E-XC. 18 kW peak around 20 for HP equivalent. 31 lb-ft torque. $11,000. 1.5 hour ride time on trails. First, let us highlight a few electric dirt bikes making waves right now. The Sur-Ron Light Bee is a fan favorite for its lower price point, lightweight frame, and respectable torque. Meanwhile, bikes like the 0 FX and KTM Freeride E-XC push the boundaries of electric performance, offering more power and greater off-road capabilities, but at higher cost. Honda CRF 250R, 39 HP, 20 lb-ft torque, $8,000 C $8,300. Yamaha YZ for 50F, 52 HP, 33 lb-ft torque, $9,900. KTM for 150 E-XCF, 52 HP, 30 for lb-ft torque, $10,000. On the gas side, bikes like the Honda CRF 250R and Yamaha YZ for 50F have been the gold standard for riders seeking rugged reliability and race-ready performance. Their power, range, and extensive aftermarket support keep them at the top of many wish lists. Performance is where these bikes really show off their differences. Electric dirt bikes deliver instant torque as soon as you twist the throttle. You feel that surge. For example, the 0 FX pumps out a whopping 76 lb-ft of torque, more than many for 50cc gas bikes. Meanwhile, a typical 250cc or 450cc gas engine has to build a PM before reaching peak torque. However, once V-Ray revved up, gas bikes often have a higher top end horsepower, meaning better sustained power on high-speed tracks or long straightaways. Another major distinction is sound. Electric dirt bikes are almost whisper quiet, which is fantastic if you live in a neighborhood with noise restrictions or want to enjoy nature without spooking wildlife. But for some riders, half the fun of riding is that throaty exhaust and the shifting gears. If you crave the roar of an engine, you may miss that sensation on an electric. When it comes to range, gas bikes usually dominate. A full tank on a Honda CRF 250R can last you a solid day of trail riding. Just bring an extra fuel can if you worry. With electric bikes, range is often between 20 to 60 miles, depending on riding style, battery capacity, and terrain. Charging can take from 1 to 4 hours, depending on whether you have a fast charger or a standard outlet. For frequent long-distance rides, this can be a challenge. Maintenance might be the biggest deciding factor for many riders. Gas bikes require regular oil changes, valve checks, air filter and spark plug replacements. You also have to consider fuel costs. Electric bikes mostly skip those chores. No oil, no spark plugs, but you will eventually face battery degradation. Over several years, a replacement battery can be pricey. Although your day-to-day running costs, electricity, are generally lower than fuel. Example, a Sur-Ron Light Bee battery replacement might cost $800 C $1,000. Comparison. Average annual maintenance on a 450cc gas bike could be $300 C $500 oil, filters, occasional repairs, plus fuel costs. So, while electric bikes can be cheaper to maintain on a monthly basis, keep that battery replacement cost in mind. Electrics produce zero tailpipe emissions and minimal noise, which is a huge plus if you are eco-conscious or ride in areas sensitive to noise pollution. In some places, e-bikes can legally ride where gas bikes are not allowed due to noise or emission regulations. That said, the manufacturing and disposal of lithium-ion batteries has its own environmental footprint, though it is generally considered cleaner than burning gasoline over the bike's lifetime. Alright, so who reigns supreme in the dirt bike world, electric or gas? Well, it depends on your priorities. If you want simplicity, lower day-to-day costs, near silent operation, and instant torque, an electric is hard to beat. The Sur-Ron Light Bee and Jet are budget-friendly and super fun for short to medium trail sessions, while high-end bikes like the Zero FX or KTM Freeride E-XC offer serious performance. If you value long-range riding, the visceral thrill of shifting gears, and proven racing heritage, a traditional gas dirt bike like the Honda CRF or Yamaha YZ series might still be your best bet. Gas bikes also have a robust aftermarket scene and a well-established dealership network for parts and service. Ultimately, both electric and gas bikes deliver incredible off-road experiences, just in different ways. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which side are you on, electric or gas? Have you ridden both? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more two-wheeled content, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you on the trails.